Assalamu alaikum everyone. I welcome you all in our Learn at Home program. It's Zahra Bashir helping you to understand your biology book of grade 9. I request you all to hold your pens and notebooks so that you can note the important points. Today's topic is careers in biology. It's in chapter number 1, page number 5 and 6 of your book. After doing this topic, you'll be able to solve short question number 2 of your exercise. One can join any of these fields after studying biology: medicine and surgery, fisheries, agriculture, animal science, forestry, horticulture, and farming. First of all, it's medicine and surgery. Medicine here refers to diagnosis and treatment of human diseases using medicines, while surgery refers to repair, remove, or replace the defective parts of body using surgery. One can join this field after higher secondary level of education, that is FSc in biology, through any medical college and becomes a doctor who treats his patient by using medicine or by surgery. Where doctors can work? Scope. Doctors can work in hospitals, private clinics, as lecturers in medical colleges, or maybe in forensic department where they find evidences to deal any crime. For example, footprints, fingerprints, DNA tests, etc. The next is fisheries. As the name indicates, fisheries deals with the production of fish. Fish managers study fish habitats, their nutritional requirements, diseases, how to treat them, etc. One can join this field after BSc or MSc in zoology according to the requirement. Where fish managers can work. What is the scope of fisheries? Fish managers can work in fish hatcheries and fish farms. Agriculture. It is a vast field of careers having many subdisciplines as it deals with the production and management of crops and livestock. Livestock means domestic animals, the animals which can be reared at home. One can join any agriculture university after FSc in biology and completing the studies from here becomes agriculturist. Agriculturists can work in agricultural department, food industry, agricultural banks, veterinary and pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical industries are the industries which make medicines. Animal science, as it is the subdiscipline of agriculture, but it offers its students a separate career development as well. Animal science deals with breeding and raising livestock. Livestock mean domestic animals, for example sheep, goats, cows, horses, buffaloes, etc. It is also known as animal husbandry and deals with breeding and raising of livestock. One can adopt this field through any agriculture university after FSc, and the graduates can work in veterinary hospitals, the hospitals where animals are treated, animal hospitals, pet food industry, livestock department, pharmaceutical industries. Many of these fields are similar as they were in agriculture. Horticulture, fruits production, fruits and vegetable productions. Different agricultural universities offer this course and one can join this course after FSc in biology, and after graduation can open self-business as well and can also work in agricultural department, nurseries, gardens, pest management. Pest management is the department which deals against the organisms which harm our crops. Pests, the organisms which harm crops. Forestry, as it's obvious from the name, forestry deals with managing and growing forests. Forests are very important for timber and wildlife habitats. Timber means wood which we use for our daily life purposes, for example building our homes, furnitures, even burning. Wildlife habitats, wildlife mean wild biodiversity. Habitats mean areas where they live. So forests are the areas where wild biodiversity, whether plants or animals, live. In Pakistan, there are forest colleges which offer their graduates to work in forest department, wildlife management and national parks as well. The last field of careers, farming. Farming refers to farm development. Farms are the areas which are maintained for production of anything. They can be maintained for animal breeding and production, poultry production, fruit and vegetable production, as we are well known from poultry farm, fish farms, dairy farms, etc. One can adopt this field after having a professional course or degree from any agricultural university in agriculture or animal husbandry. Hope so you have got it, and now you are able to answer short question number 2, that which career would you like to adopt after studying biology? Thank you.